Hello, welcome to another episode of Mark 2 Golf Stories. Today we're going to see if the GTD will start after all our hard work. Let's do it. We've had our rebuild, new head gasket on, all belts back on, all hoses up, got coolant in it. We're going to start it up and see if she runs. Also, if it starts, are we going to get a load of white smoke? That's the main question. You ready? Yeah.
Come on. That's it now. Hang on, let's just bleed it. Let's just get strong and bleed it.
Yeah, good idea.
Is it just number one?
Well, do one at a time. Till the fuel starts coming out.
The bloody pipes start coming off now, isn't it? It started then. You need to do them all?
Is fuel coming out of the first one now?
Yeah. Not a lot. I might have to do them again after.
Yeah. Once it's running, you can do it.
I'm going to loosen them all.
Okay. Okay.
Right, getting bubbles coming out. Right. Right. We haven't got a spare battery, or it gets flat.
So, one thing we forgot to put on when we rebuilt the engine and put the head back on was the splash guard. And this is important because it helps the oil recirculate. Why is that important, Dad? Go on, why?
If you don't put it on,
Yeah.
all the oil will splash up, so it's more area for the oil to come through, and it can leak back into somewhere. I think it's the.
Now.
It can leak back into the system. Right, you need it on anyway.
Right, okay, so we don't know why we need it on. We need it on.
Well, if you put that on, that's less area. It will make the oil work more efficiently.
Okay.
With that on, because it's not got so much area for just to all move around.
Let's put the camper back on.
Right.
Again. Just need to make sure it's down properly. Here. There's a little ridge that it sits in. If it's not down, oil will get out there. So it's down nice and tight there. The same for the half moon down here. Bit of RTV.
That was a new one.
So everything's back together. We're going to start the car.
No, we're not.
We're going to try and start the car when my dad bleeds this nut here. So not let any air. There's a lot of air. I can see a lot of air in it here anyway.
Yeah.
Hopefully we can get it started. Let's give it a go. Okay, so we're going to, as we turn the engine over, my dad's going to loosen this, and you should see the fuel come down here, lots of air. There's loads of air in there, there's no fuel in it at the moment. So again, we're just going to see if we're getting a clip from the solenoid on here. Turn the ignition on. Yeah. Off. Is it all the way off? Yeah. Turn it on again. Yeah, it's clicking. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nothing coming out yet. Have you got
Yes.
fuse? Go on.
It's coming out of this injector up here.
Oh. Try again, hang on. It was on. Right, go on. Right.
You loosened it, tightened it.
It doesn't come out of it.
Right, where's that pump? Let's get that pump back on it. Right, so we've just primed. We just dragged a load of fuel through by squeezing this, attaching it to the hose here, squeezing it into a jar. It took a while for any fuel to come through, so that's probably why we're struggling to start it. We should have fuel in the lines now, so we'll try turning it over again. Hopefully we should have some fuel coming down here now.
Hopefully.
Don't loosen it all the way, just use a little bit.
Yeah, go on. Right.
Because if it's not... It's not coming through.
No.
Tighten it up then, because it's not going to come through. That's before the fuel pump, isn't it? You need to have the fuel pump creating a vacuum. Do you know what I mean? Loosen one of these off, maybe.
This one here then.
So we'll just attach this.
Free it again and hold it in. Right.
Where's it got a leak coming from? I can hear it.
I think the timing's out, the fuel timing's out.
This is fuel to the pump now, definitely.
There's not something missing off this lot, so we haven't missed a pipe or something.
I think so.
When I was at your house, that other house, I undid them all together.
Okay. And then tighten them all up, see that then?
A minute. Alright.
Is there stop coming out of that one?
That was alright.
Ready?
No.
I'll be around one night.
Yeah.
Right, it's been a few months since we've had a look at this. Shut up. So we're just going to double check the timing, make sure everything is lined up right, as far as we can tell, and see if we can get it started. So let's have a quick look.
Right. Oh, steady on. Oh, hang on. Hang on, a bit more. Just a tiny bit. Oh. I'm not sure now.
Well,
A bit more. Ah, there it is. Right, you want to be just before that, you know. You want to be 12 degrees before that, apparently. How's it looking now for them markings? We'll find that
it's right on the top here.
Right.
Yeah.
That should be right then.
But the fuel pump, I think that's right. That looks all right.
Huh.
So the fuel pump one's lined up.
Where's this? That's lined up.
Top cam seems to be lined up. There we go. It's got fuel in there now. There's not there in there, isn't it?
Yeah, hold on. There's one there. That's sucking the air in. Right. Get the bathroom, so get this right.
Okay. Under this thing at the bottom of the fuel filter.
It's not showing any fuel in it. Look, not have no fuel in the tank.
Hang on. Try again.
Right.
Yeah. Stop.
One more.
We've got a load of air in this here.
One more. Change that battery. So it's not coming through?
Well, I've just emptied. I've just undone this here at the bottom as well because there was a load of.
And I just looked at the fuel gauge and it's empty.
It's not completely empty. It's slightly above red. So I've just undone this here and let a load of fuel out the bottom.
Yeah.
So this has definitely got fuel in it now. I'm not sure if it was full before.
Right.
I'll try it again.
Yeah. Try choking. We've got to try choking now. Oh. It's nearly starting, isn't it?
Go on. Stop. I can't see it being pulled through, no. It's leaking out of it though. What you could do, you could try getting some diesel in a container and put in the...
This is the outlet. Try it again, let's see if it comes through here. Nothing, no.
We'll do have to see if we can get one out to have a look down in those diesel engines. What do you think? Well, as you can see, we're struggling to get this started. Yeah, we can't get it started. If maybe you guys can help, or if you know someone who can help us, we're down in Manchester. Anybody who knows diesel engines, specifically the GTDs or those Bosch diesel pumps, if you can come and give us a hand, that'd be great. But that's this episode done. Maybe we'll have to call someone out for this, I don't know. But it's been probably about 6 months since we've put this engine back together, and we've not been able to start it since. Yeah, anyway, that's the end of this episode. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in the next one soon.